When circuits are simple, we use the simple formulae. But when circuit is like the circuit shown in the diagram, very complicated, then we have always solved the series and parallel circuit. Series combination of resistors consists of resistors connected end to end, and their equivalent resistance is given by sum of the individual resistances. R equivalent in the series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and in the parallel combination the resistances are connected between two common points. Illustration: find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Solve it step by step. First, we focus on this end branch. In this, two resistances R and R are connected in series, and so their series combination twice R. Equivalent resistance twice R in series is in parallel with the resistance twice R. Calculate the R equivalent in the parallel combination twice R into twice R upon twice R plus twice R. Using formulae, Rp is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Its value is equal to R. Now this one branch is converted into equivalent resistance R, which is shown here, and the second branch with resistance R and twice R is drawn, and the remaining branch is also drawn. In the next part, we will minimize this to equivalent resistance. This resistance R and R, they are in series with twice R. So their series equivalent resistance twice R is in parallel with the resistance twice R, and again their parallel combination has equivalent value using this formulae as R. So we write here equivalent resistance R, and it is in the series with R, and this branch is in parallel with this resistance R. Hence these two series resistance twice R, they are in parallel with the branch R. Now calculate their equivalent value. Resistance twice R in parallel with R will give the value 3R upon 2 using this formula. Again let us revise. Suppose this combination of resistances is given, we have to find out the equivalent resistance between the branch A and B, from A to B. For this, we will reduce the circuit one branch by one branch, find the equivalent resistance of each branch, and then finally find the total resistance between A and B. First, we consider the equivalent resistance of R and R in series as twice R. This twice R is in parallel with twice R. This will give the circuit R in parallel, R in series with R and parallel with twice R. Now reduce this again to resistance R, and it is in series with R and parallel with twice R. Again reduce this to next part. This equivalent resistance of these three is again R, and this R is in the series with R and parallel with the R. So these three resistances will give the equivalent resistance 3R upon 2. Like this we have to find the equivalent resistance of the circuit, currents and voltages. Next we consider another complicated circuit. Suppose this is the circuit given. You can observe symmetry Here these two resistances R and R, they are in parallel. These are in parallel, and their parallel combination will give us equivalent resistance R upon 2, using formulae R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. We get value R upon 2 for each branch. R and R in parallel, R and R in parallel will give R by 2. R and R in parallel will give equivalent resistance R upon 2. Similarly, here also we get equivalent resistance of parallel combination as R upon 2. Now again reduce this circuit. We have reduced this branch to single equivalent resistance, and again we can solve this. R upon 2 and R upon 2 is in series, which will give the equivalent resistance as sum of these two. Sum of these two is R. Sum of these two is R. So again R and R, this R is in parallel with this R, and this will give resistance R upon 2. Now R upon 2 and R upon 2 and R upon 2, three resistances are in series, and hence we get the value R upon 2 plus R upon 2 plus R upon 2 as 3R upon 2 as a equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance of this combination is 3R upon 2. Illustration is given. We have to find out the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. For such circuit, to simplify such circuits, see the symmetry of the circuit, and you will see it is symmetrical about 3, 4, 5 and along AB. Along 3, 4, 5, these are the equipotential points. So we can redraw the circuit as shown in the figure. Think carefully. According to symmetry, I have redrawn the circuit as per equipotential points, and points are also shown. Points 1, 2 are equipotential, points 3, 4, 5 are equipotential, and points 6, 7 are equipotential between A and B. Use the formulae of the series combination and parallel combination to find equivalent resistances, and the total resistance will be equal to first branch gives resistance. First branch gives resistance, equivalent resistance R upon 2. Second branch gives R upon 4. Third R upon 4, and last R upon 2. Sum of these resistances will give total resistance 3R upon 2. Next illustration is find the equivalent resistance between A and B, and the equipotential points are drawn. These are the equipotential points, and the resistance between these points are redrawn. Now circuit is very simple. Calculate the series resistance. This twice R, and twice R. These are in parallel, and using the formulae for equivalent resistance in parallel combination, we will get the resultant value as 2 upon 3 R. Like this, we can solve the complicated circuit and analyze to find the equivalent resistance of combination and find current and voltages. In the next video, we will discuss next difficult circuits. Thank you.